In most cases, Kisii is one of the regions where rain often rain throughout the year. That's why you can see the greens and all the beautiful places. When you travel across Kisii, you will think like you are walking on a green carpet. I welcome you all to Kisii and enjoy the environment. But yesterday, oh, it was not a good experience. Today started well. The cloud was very clear. In Swahili we say, siku njema huonekana asubuhi. Most of the people went to their different various places of work, and others went to the garden, as others went to ride motorbikes, and everybody was busy in his own way. Girls were up doing their daily routine, sweeping the houses. The unexpected happened. It was really heartbreaking, guys. It was heartbreaking. In today's video, we dive into what happened yesterday. So guys, I really humbly request you to support Live with Makori. Kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bells, and also come please and share my videos so that I can reach 3,000 subscribers. I want to say thank you so much for the love and support. Guys, I aspire to be one of the greatest content creator from Kenya. And guys, I really depend on you, and you all have the power. Kindly watch my videos and support me to 3,000 to 5,000 to 10,000 to 1 million, guys. Thank you. May God continue blessing you for supporting Live with Makori. You are gonna change the life of the village boy. You are gonna change the narrative of the village, the African village boy. Today I want to say that it is really a bright morning and everything is going well. We don't know how much rain will rain today, but yesterday it was really massive. So guys, yesterday it was a Friday, and it's really amazing that the rain unexpectedly came, and it really rained a lot of it, and most of the house water ran into the house. It was almost flooding everywhere, and even the rivers were full, man, were full. You'll watch from the videos that I have for you. So it was really massive, but we don't know what will happen. I know if it has just started this way, most of the parts of Kenya will experience a lot of floods. Honest, yesterday was not the really worst day, but I fear for what will come after yesterday's rain. Guys, a few days ago, or not even a month, last month we were crying about rain. It is very dry from our places, but already the rains are here. We were planted, let me say, 1 month ago. We were crying about the dry season, and we planted. We have maize, we have kales, traditional vegetables. We plant bananas, we plant maize, we plant beans, and all that, you know. So we were happy for this rain, but very soon most of the people are gonna cry because of this. What is happening? Water is really coming on our way. I'm trying to open the funnel here. Because this water can pass through. Oh my goodness. Huko ilikuwa imeziba. Oh my goodness. Kenya. Kenya, ibuli ndile kaiga. Ebu wana mngamujo ni. Walking on the rain, guys. Oh, this funnel was blocked, and that's why the water was moving towards. Whoa. It's flat. Oh my goodness. Look at this apple. Oh my goodness. House has been rained on. The water is in the house. Oh my goodness. Unaenda mpaka kwa room. Nimeingia mpaka huko ndani.
Nimeingia hapa chini. Utakusaidia. Sasa iko.
Maria, ukisukuma ile naenda mpaka kwa room nyingine. Guys, it has really rained today, so I feel like I have to check on my farm down there because it has rained a lot of rain, and sometimes the water that will pass through the farm. Let me see if they have destroyed my crops. Oh my goodness, it has really rained today. Wow. And here the water is really running very fast. The river is very dramatic right now. So let me check out, guys. Okay. You can hear the river. It is so dramatic because the water is full. Oh my goodness. I'm supposed to wear gumboots. Oh my goodness. Water here. Also. And it is very cold right now. Yeah, the water is really running over my maize, so I have to check, man. I knew there is a lot of water right now. The river is full. Oh my goodness. There's a lot of soil erosion that have taken place. Soil erosion. Wow. So the water was passing through here and it just ran. Wow. Hey. The soil erosion has taken place here. A lot of the soil has gone. Oh, wow. Wow. So crazy, man. water was passing over here. Can you see? There's a lot. See, it is coming from up there. You can see it's coming. So I have to go back. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I have to carry this. Oh my goodness. It has tied me down here. I have to hurry, man. The goodness with my camera is waterproof, so I'm not afraid about that. The rain is coming again. So guys, this way I was worried because of the soil erosion, but thank God it did not take place as much as, yeah. So when my maize are supposed to, I need to start. You can see the way maize is being destroyed. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my goodness. Right. Guys, I want to say thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Thank you guys. May God bless you and continue subscribing and liking the video. I'm out.